All right, for this video, we are going to calculate arc length. Arc length is just a portion of the circumference, so instead of us finding the entire circumference around a circle, we are only going to focus on finding a portion of that circumference in red here. So since it's bolded right there, we're trying to find the length of this chunk of the arc, not the entire circumference. Okay, in order to do that, we actually start with the circumference formula, which we just used in the last two exercises. So 2 times pi times our radius. But then what we're going to do is we're actually breaking up the 360 degrees to rotate around a circle into chunks, right? So we're going to multiply it by some central angle up here. The central angle is going to go up here. And 360 degrees is going to go in our denominator. So we're going to divide it by 360 degrees, the circumference by 360 degrees, and multiply it by however many degrees of rotation we want to get through for that central angle. In this case, we are rotating 90 degrees, okay? What we're going to do here is I will put a theta here. That's theta again. We covered that in our notes. This is our formula for arc length, okay? Now we're going to just plug in some values. So 2 times pi times 9 feet times 90, that's my central angle, divided by 360. It seems confusing, but you really just plug in values as you go. Okay, pi is 3.1415, continuing forever. Okay, times 9, and then we go times 90 divided by 360. Now, the convenient thing is when we use our calculator, we can just type all that in. So we do 2 times 3.415 times 9. I go times 90 divided by 360. And I get 14.3675. 14.13, I think it was 675. I'll have to double check that. It was. And since we're talking about length, okay, that's a one-dimensional measurement, so the answer for this one is in feet, not square feet. Okay, we're just talking about the length of this arc. So we found essentially the distance from this point to this point along the circumference of this circle, and it's 14.13675. Circumference equals 14.1 feet. All right, good luck with your next two problems.